Spirit Halloween.
My bone-chilling
Damn, giant rat found in the sewer.
Yeah, that's normal.
His name's Andrew Love.
That's normal.
We're going the maze.
No. Take a picture.
I'm taking a picture.
Subway are fucked. Got it? Yeah, it's on video. It's on video.
Lots of scary stuff, guys, so don't come to Spirit Halloween if you get spooked easily. I know I do.
Union Station next stop. Next stop, World Trade Center. Next stop, World Trade Center. People on the subway are fucked. Bro, this is like Halloween 2, and I don't remember that. I don't remember that part.
What is going on, you guys? I'm here in Toronto for Fan Expo. I haven't been here in about 10 years, probably. I'll be back here tomorrow for My Chemical Romance. It's gonna be a good one. No fucking way. Springtrap. What's up, Springtrap? It's funny that wrestling stuff always just finds its way to me. Like, they had some really cool jackets. They had some CM Punk shorts that were really cool that I want to buy. CM. We're in the Conjuring experience.
I just thought of it.
May the Lord protect you as you stare into the reflection. In the name of the Father and of the Son.
Amen. I'm scared. Oh God. Annabelle's here. Annabelle. Oh no. Ah. Where am I going? I'm really scared. Oh no.
You don't belong here.
I'm sorry. I'm so
of all is the handsome gentleman here with us tonight. Please, a round of applause for his grand immortal dictator. And he's never looked better. Wouldn't you agree with that, Toronto? We come courtesy of the Ministry of Complementary Reconditioning. We are supported by the Drop National Auxiliary Band. Please make some noise for them. And I'll tell you the last fucking time. Are you ready? Let's go! Where you live. It's nice to see us here, I think, right? It's kind of nice, right? All right, now comes the time. When you came in, you got a sign. One side says chicken. The other side says fish. What we are going to decide right now is what is better, chicken or fish? Who fucking knows? Who fucking cares?
Chicken!
So, I want to see everybody that loves chicken first.
Chicken!
That is so much chicken. You gotta let yellow, orange, and red. All right, who is fish?
Chicken!
Aquatic, you know? Aquatic, under the sea, right? Okay, so here's the thing. You're gonna vote for either chicken or fish. You're all gonna hold them up at the same time. And I swear, and I promise you so badly that one of these sides, chicken or fish, will save their lives. Trust me. Are you ready? At the count of 3, I want to see all the signs up in the air. And it's 1, and it's 2, and it's... Delicious. Roll. Let's sing this together. And what you even turn to say, I don't love you like I did yesterday. I believe some of you may have met my friend before. A round of applause for the gentleman. The thing about the gentleman, I'll show you, is that this string back here, it doesn't work. But he talks. Oh, he talks! And I love to hear him sing. One day, he leaned over to me, and he whispered this in my ear. I've got a secret. I've got a song. Slim as a sliver. Not very long. And if you like it, blow us a kiss. It's nearly started. It goes like this. A dagger, please fetch me a dagger. A tool for my treasonous deeds. A delicate matter, yes, trust me, a dagger is just what this one of us needs. We'll follow the script to the letter, deposit his corpse in the sea. You can't see Berlin with the sun in your eyes. To Berlin, the sun, yes, trust me, a dagger is just what this enemy needs. Tears in our eyes, we collapse on the grass. It's dead, be the son of a star. This war is the son of us all. Beautiful people out here in Toronto tonight. to sing, and we're gonna count her in singing, alright? Because when she sings, she sees everything. The count shall go as follows. I said 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. But there's shit that I've done with this fuck up. I thought you would cry after I we're too fortune and flame with all. So gather round, make them
Concert just ended. There's a show going on outside. What the hell?
One pair of pants later.
Me and my friend Kyle ended up going to Toronto for Boiler Room. It was actually a lot of fun. You know, I was kind of on the fence about going, especially because it wasn't really my scene. But we ended up getting on stage, which was a lot of fun.